This is the Davy switch. It has a 35 actuation force. It's a linear switch, and you can compare it to a Cherry MX Red or Speed Silver. However, it's a lot lighter than both of those switches. It's actually one of the lightest switches in the market, which is what makes this switch so unique. Next is the Ivy switch. It has a 50 grams of actuation force, 60 GF tactile force. This switch is considered a tactile switch on the website. However, it does have a clicky sound, so this switch is most comparative to the Cherry MX Blue. Next we have the Sakura switch, which is the one that I bought with my keyboard. It has 45 gram actuation force. It is a linear switch, and it's most similar to the Cherry MX Red. Finally, we have the Rose switch, which has 55 actuation force. It's another linear switch. It's the heaviest linear switch that Varmilo has to offer. This one is most similar to a Cherry MX Black, however it's slightly lighter than a Cherry MX Black.